right? So SWOT is the acronym for strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Strength and weakness thus can be identified by analyzing the internal environment, okay, and opportunities and threats this can be identified by analyzing the external environment of the business, right children? Now we will look at in detail what is strength analysis, right? So strength is an inherent capabilities or resources of a company used to gain competitive advantage over the competitors, right? For example, huge financial resources, competent, dedicated and experienced staff, latest technology, well-established brands, strong management team, countrywide distribution network, all these are the strength of a company, right? And coming to weakness. So weakness means the inherent limitations or constraint of a company, okay, which creates strategic disadvantage for the company, right? So weaknesses are those areas in which the company needs to improve. जहाँ पे की इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकता है, कंपनी चाहे तो वो सारे एरिया पे फोकस करके जैसे उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकती है, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जांपल फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन, इफ द फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन ऑफ द कंपनी इज वीक और पुअर, देन इट बिकम्स वन ऑफ द वीकनेस. जबकि वो स्ट्रेंथ था कब? जब कंपनी का फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन स्ट्रांग है, देन दैट बिकम्स अ स्ट्रेंथ. वहीं पे अगर वो फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन हो जाता है, दैट बिकम्स वन ऑफ द वीकनेस, ओके? इनएक्सपीरियंस टर्म्स. नेक्स्ट, if the company is using obsolete or old technology, outdated technology, that also is one of the weakness. If the company brand is unknown to the customers, customers को brand के बारे में totally customers के पास जानकारी है ही नहीं, then it becomes one of the weakness. And weak management. Weak management means they are unable to take the decisions in time, for which the company may have to suffer loss. So this all are the weaknesses, children. Next we will discuss the opportunities. So what are the various opportunities and what is the meaning of opportunities? Opportunities means a favorable condition in the company's external environment which enables it to strengthen its position. External environment में कंपनी का जैसे जो भी favorable condition है, that's the condition which favors the company and the company can take advantage of those opportunities. So that is called the favorable conditions which avail outside the business enterprise, right? Example, liberal government policy. If the government policy is in liberal, then during that time the company can take advantage of that. डिक्लाइनिंग इंटरेस्ट रेट कम है तो उस टाइम जैसे लोन और फाइनेंस मार्केट से लिया जा सकता है. देन ग्रोइंग मार्केट्स. सो अगर मार्केट ग्रो कर रहा है, देन कंपनी कैन प्रोवाइड बेटर क्वालिटी गुड्स, मोर बेटर क्वालिटी गुड्स एंड सेटिस्फाई द कस्टमर्स एंड ऑक्यूपाई मोर मार्केट शेयर. ओके, सो दिस आर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज. Next, we will discuss about the threats. So, threats is just opposite of opportunities. That is, threat is an unfavorable condition in the company's external environment which causes damages or risk to the enterprise. Okay? So, जो threat है, ये कंपनी के पोजीशन पे रिस्क ला सकती है, कोई डैमेज हो सकता है. ओके, because these are the unfavorable condition. जो unfavorable है, that creates some problems. Okay, for example, increased competition. Market में competition बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, then that is one of the threat for the company. For example, nowadays Hindustan Unilever, Patanjali. Okay, so these are facing competition from each other. Next is availability of cheaper substitute. जिस प्रोडक्ट का सब्स्टिट्यूट इजीली मार्केट में अवेलेबल है, सो दैट बिकम्स वन ऑफ द थ्रेट फॉर द एंटरप्राइज. Political corruptions and risk in foreign markets. These are the example of the various threats. Right, children? Next we will discuss about the advantages or importance of SWOT analysis. Why an enterprise will go for SWOT analysis? Okay, what are the advantages or benefits of that? Number one is it is very simple to understand, to prepare and to use. We can have our own SWOT analysis also. हम लोग अपना भी SWOT analysis बना सकते हैं. Okay, हमारा strength क्या है, weakness क्या है, opportunities क्या है हमारे लिए, and what becomes a threat for us, like that. So it is very simple to understand, to prepare and to use. It is inexpensive. बहुत खर्चा इसमें करना पड़ता नहीं है. So it is less expensive or inexpensive, we can say. It does not require much time. बहुत टाइम की जरूरत नहीं है, जैसे हम लोग अभी डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. It's very simple, very easy to prepare also. So it is less time taking. It is quite flexible. Means we can make some changes if it is required, and it can be applied by all enterprises. हर एक enterprise जैसे SWOT analysis अपना कर सकते हैं. Okay? It helps in reducing potential threats. जो threats के बारे में जैसे हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं. So if a company have already made the SWOT analysis, अपना SWOT analysis करके रखा है, then it becomes very easy to reduce the threats. Okay. Next is it serves as a basis for strategy making. Okay. So company can formulate the strategy on the basis of the SWOT analysis. So this is all about children SWOT analysis. Thank you.